guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to add categories to our WordPress Media Library. So by default, WordPress have the Media Library where you can concentrate all the media files you upload, images, illustrations, icons, videos, okay, music. But there is no categories, and you may need to categorize the media for a better organization. How to enter categories to your media library, just like you have on your blog posts, for free without coding. This is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, okay? After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus. Remember to access dashboard, always enter with your domain into the browser address bar, plus WP admin, enter with username and password, okay? And into the WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click into the menu Add Plugin. Review the upper right corner of your screen, there is a field search plugins, click and type Media Library Categories. Right here we have a couple of plugins, but the guy that we're looking for is this one right here, Media Library Categories by Jeffrey. Click on Install Now. Click into the Activate button. Here is the plugin. You can see the categories and the settings. As soon as you activate the plugin, you're going to be redirected to the plugins list, okay, a list where you can see all of the present plugins. And from here, if you review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over settings, you're going to be able to see media, and into media, you're going to be able to see a new section, Media Library Categories. The custom taxonomy slug category is the default one, autocomplete search drop down, up to you and to your needs, okay? Now, if you hover a mouse over media, you're going to be able to find the categories taxonomy, where you can enter categories for your WordPress media files. For example, audio, summer photos, winter photos, flower photos. And if you go to the media itself, you scroll down, you're going to be able to find the categories that you can select right here. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!